going to learn how to compute the real exchange rate, okay? So first we'll say that, let's say that a good in the US is costs 20 bucks, okay? And the same good in Mexico costs 150 pesos, okay? If the nominal exchange rate is 10 pesos per dollar, what is the real exchange rate? Okay. Okay, so first thing is, what is the formula for the real exchange rate? Well, we know that the real exchange rate, we'll call it E sub R, is equal to the nominal exchange rate, so E sub N, right, times P over P star, okay? And now, we'll say that P is the price of the good domestically, where P is the domestic price. Domestic price. And P star is the foreign price, okay? So now it's a matter of plugging in the numbers. So E sub R, the real exchange rate, is going to be, well, the nominal exchange rate is 10 pesos, right? So it's going to be 10 times the domestic price, right, which is $20, right, the price here in the US, divided by the foreign price, right, which is 150 pesos, okay? So this is going to equal to 200, right, over 150, right? And that's going to be 4/3, okay? So the real exchange rate is equal to 4/3, okay? So what does this mean? This means that for 1 unit, for 1 unit here, you'll get 4 1/3 unit in Mexico. So in other words, when you're looking at a real exchange rate, what you're looking at are quantities of a good, not the dollar values of the currency values, but rather the quantities, right? So for 1 good in America, you'll get 4/3 of a good in Mexico. That means that you get more of the good in Mexico. So it means that it must be that it is cheaper in Mexico, right? Because 4/3 is greater than 1, right? So 4/3 is approximately 1.33, right? Which means that you're getting more in Mexico than you're getting in the US. So we can say that the good is cheaper in Mexico. Mexico. Okay? Or in other words, is more expensive in America. Okay?